Myth: humans only use 10% of their brains. Fact: this myth is entirely false. Neuroscientific research and brain imaging studies consistently show that virtually all parts of the brain have specific functions, and humans use a significant portion of their brains throughout various activities. The idea likely originated from misinterpretations of neurological research or possibly as a motivational concept rather than a scientifically accurate statement. Myth: lightning never strikes the same place twice. Fact: lightning can and often does strike the same place multiple times. Tall structures such as skyscrapers and communication towers are particularly prone to repeated lightning strikes. Lightning is attracted to the highest points in an area, and certain locations may experience frequent strikes during thunderstorms. Myth: the Great Wall of China is visible from space. Fact: contrary to popular belief, the Great Wall of China is not easily visible from space without aid. Astronauts have reported that it's challenging to spot the wall with the naked eye from low Earth orbit. Other prominent human-made structures and natural features, such as cities and large bodies of water, are more visible from space. Myth: goldfish have a 3-second memory. Fact: goldfish have been shown to have a memory span of several months, and they can remember and learn from past experiences. This myth likely originated from observations of goldfish exhibiting repetitive behaviors in a confined environment. In reality, goldfish can be trained to perform simple tasks and recognize their owners. Myth: bananas are trees. Fact: bananas grow on large herbaceous plants, not trees. While the banana plant may have a tall and sturdy stem, it lacks the characteristics of a true tree trunk. The trunk of a banana plant is not made of wood and doesn't exhibit the annual growth rings typical of trees. Bananas are classified as large herbaceous plants. Myth: bats are blind. Fact: the myth that bats are blind likely stems from their nocturnal behavior and reliance on echolocation. In reality, most bats have well-developed eyesight and can see in low light conditions. Echolocation is a sophisticated sonar system that many bats use to navigate and locate prey in the dark. While some species may have poor eyesight, it is not accurate to claim that bats are blind. Myth: sugar causes hyperactivity in children. Fact: despite popular belief, numerous scientific studies have found no conclusive evidence linking sugar consumption to hyperactivity in children. The myth likely arose from anecdotal observations and parental experiences. While excessive sugar intake may have other health implications, it does not directly cause hyperactivity in most children. Myth: a penny dropped from a tall building can kill someone. Fact: the myth that a penny dropped from a tall building can reach a lethal speed is not supported by physics. While falling objects can cause harm, the small mass and aerodynamic shape of a penny prevent it from reaching dangerous speeds. In reality, a falling penny might sting if it hits someone, but it is unlikely to cause serious injury. Myth: water drains in different directions in the northern and southern hemispheres. Fact: the idea that water drains in opposite directions in the northern and southern hemispheres due to the Coriolis effect is a common misconception. In reality, the Coriolis effect is negligible in small-scale phenomena like draining water in a sink or bathtub. The direction of water drainage is influenced more by the shape of the container and local factors than by the Earth's rotation. Myth: shaving causes hair to grow back thicker and darker. Fact: the belief that shaving causes hair to grow back thicker and darker is a common misconception. Shaving does not alter the thickness or color of hair. The perception may arise because newly shaved hair has a blunt tip which may feel coarser compared to the tapered end of unshaved hair. However, the actual characteristics of the hair shaft remain unchanged. Myth: lightning never strikes sand. Fact: lightning can and does strike sand, as well as other types of soil. The myth that lightning avoids sandy areas likely stems from the fact that sand is a poor conductor of electricity. While lightning may preferentially strike objects that provide a better path to the ground, such as tall structures or bodies of water, it is not accurate to claim that lightning will never strike sandy areas. Myth: different areas of the tongue perceive different tastes. Fact: the idea that specific regions of the tongue are responsible for different tastes, e.g., sweet, sour, bitter, salty, is a misinterpretation of early research. In reality, taste receptors for all basic tastes are distributed across the entire tongue. While certain areas may be slightly more sensitive to specific tastes, the tongue as a whole can detect all taste sensations. Myth: lightning never strikes the ocean. Fact: lightning can and does strike the ocean. Water is an excellent conductor of electricity, and lightning can penetrate the ocean's surface. In fact, lightning frequently strikes the ocean, and it can be hazardous to marine life and ships. However, the vastness of the ocean and the dispersion of lightning strikes make them less concentrated compared to strikes on land. Myth: chameleons change color to camouflage with their surroundings. Fact: while chameleons are known for their ability to change color, it's primarily for communication and thermoregulation rather than camouflage. Chameleons change color by adjusting the pigments in their skin, and they often use these color changes to express their emotions, signal to other chameleons, or regulate their body temperature. Camouflage is just one of many functions of their color-changing ability. Myth: vitamin C prevents colds. Fact: while vitamin C is essential for a healthy immune system, the belief that consuming large amounts can prevent or cure the common cold is not entirely supported by scientific evidence. While vitamin C may have some benefits for immune function, regularly taking high doses does not guarantee immunity from colds. Maintaining a balanced diet and overall good health is crucial for a robust immune system. Myth: bulls are enraged by the color red. Fact: contrary to popular belief, bulls are not specifically enraged by the color red. Bulls are colorblind to red and green and primarily react to the movement of the cape in bullfighting. The use of a red cape is a traditional choice, but the color itself is not the cause of the bull's aggression. Bulls can be agitated by any moving object. Myth: people only use fingertips while touch typing. Fact: in touch typing, individuals use all their fingers, not just the fingertips. The technique involves placing each finger on a specific key and using the entire finger to press the keys. The myth may have originated from observations of novice typists who may initially struggle with finger placement, but is not an accurate representation of proficient touch typing.